you are not going to allow yourself being stuck in a place like, grabe the experience to, na build up talaga yung patience ko na. I really can't compare my experiences when I was in the Philippines teaching compared to my experiences here. Career-wise, I should say, I've learned a lot. But mostly kasi, ang pumupunta dito, pera talaga, yung ano nila. But in my case, it's always the first. That's always the first. But when you get here, when you get the job, and when you get to work, doon mo makikita kung anong totoong teacher. Kung anong paano ka magturo. At first, I was in doubt because I know my major is English Language Arts, and I didn't think na to get hired easily. Grabe lang talaga yung fighting spirit ko during that time. Everything went fast. Everything went fast. As in, pahirapan yung pera. As in, for real, it was really financially struggle. That was also the main reason why I really tried my luck. Actually, the question that I will really not forget during that time was, how do you deal with students' misbehavior? Until now, yun talaga yung pinaka-question na hindi ko mawala sa isip ko. Like, kaya pala discipline or behavior talaga yung inaano nila kasi iba kasi yung mga bata dito. My first year was really a struggle, super struggle. Dumating kasi ako second sem, yung mga bata, hindi ko first na handle. So, may behavior na sila. And then, they even told me na, oh, Miss Tadalgo, do you know how our previous teacher, we had him kicked out? Oh, really? I stood my ground. Sabi ko, well, you can't do that to me. Sabi ko sa kanila, well, I'm different. Kung may question nga, paano mo na overcome yung being a teacher in the United States for this long. And after that, uwi ka na. Tapos na pala. Siguro I was saying na, siguro it's because of love of my family. Also like being a teacher. So, wala kang ibang matatakbuhan kundi sarili mo lang. So, as much as possible, you have to protect your job. Because here sa United States, ang ilang i-protect ang students. It's not you, the teacher, but it's the students. The learning is not just once. Iba talaga yung nasa environment ka na, nasa school ka na. Kasi you will get to meet different kinds of students. Like a simple touch, the kids will say, "Oh, why are you touching me, Mr. Dalgo?" Or, "What did you say? It's like that. You should not say this, like that." So it's like embarrassing, but it's true. You have to learn and you have to adapt to whatever they're used to. Iba yung way of living dito. Yung pinaka-cheap way of living dito, busog ka na eh. Yun. So to enjoy that for 5 years in the United States is worth it. And the teaching experience also. You can also go far from your comfort zone so that you can experience what is it to be a teacher. Because like I said, apart from financial, apart from money, dito ko na learn na, okay, ito pala yung totoong guro. Iba siya. Iba talaga siya. Teaching here in the United States is more of like understanding the children, understanding my students, because we want them to learn. And dito ko na learn na respect different kinds of intelligences, and that they deserve hindi ka pwede lang ditong uupo-upo lang as a teacher. Kailangan magtrabaho ka rin. Hindi dahil sa nag-earn ka ng dollars, but you have to work because the kids deserve it. Yun yung ano ko as a teacher dito. Pananaw ko kung ano yung guro dito. Iba like, or siguro I'm just used to like pumunta sa classroom na prepare talaga everyday. Na ganito yung gagawin, ganito yung bell work mo, ganito yung magdi-discuss ako. Then the kids you're going to give the kids, I think like that. May goal ka talaga. Everyday yun ha. You have a goal. Kasi, anytime, may papasok sa'yo, observe. Nakakahiya naman, diba? So like, puro nasanay na din ako for almost 5 years na strict yung principal. Pero I look at it as a motivation na, oh, kaya ko. Or I said to myself, parang nasanay na din ako. Like, parang, okay, go it. Not to brag, we always see scores of the kids during testing, state test. Gallup bid is always on the, if not the first, the second. So, hindi talaga kami nawawala. So, yun. So, the school will miss us.